Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to set your username on BandLab Make Music Online website. So you can see this is the interface of BandLab account. So what you need to do, you need to click here the icon option, or it's called your profile. Simply click on this and then click the view profile this on, and after that you will get couple of options. So what you need to do, you need to click here the pencil icon. You can see this one pencil, click here, then profile settings. So you have to click here account and username. So once you create your account, then you will see some randomly username. It's not good, but if you want to create custom username, then you can, but it can be unique, it must be unique. So I'm just going to or this one, this is a question unsupported character. Sorry, you have to okay. So you can see it's now available. Once you think that it's available, then your username and your URL, BandLab URL, like this one. So this is your username and this is the domain name, and once you click update, then your username will be updated. So this way you can set your username on BandLab account. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.